Hello everyone. In this video module, we will get used to our source data. Like what are the components present in each row and each column we will see in this video. Okay. So this is our source data. These are the columns. So column 1 is order ID, then order date, customer name, country, state, city, region, segment, shipping mode, category, subcategory, product name, discount, sales, profit, quantity, and feedback. Okay, so each row there are like several thousand orders. Okay, several thousand rows. Each row corresponds to one order. For example, if I am ordering a notebook, then it will come as one row. Okay, so every row corresponds to an order. Okay, let us see. Like this is the. We'll zoom further. See, this is the order ID. Order was made on Jan 1, 2019 by a customer named Venkatesh, belonging to the country India and state of Sikkim and city of Gantak. So Sikkim is in East India, so the region is East. Segment is consumer. There are different segments like consumer, home office, corporate, like that. Different segments are there. But the item ordered by Venkatesh is belonging to the segment consumer. Okay. Then shipping. The ordered item was shipped via economy class. The category of the ordered item belongs to furniture. There are different categories like office supplies, furniture, etc. The subcategory is paper. So under subcategory, there can be papers or bookcase or arts or storage, etc. Okay. So the ordered item by Venkatesh is belongs to a subcategory paper. Okay, and the actual product name is Boston marker, easy erase. Okay, now what are the other columns? Discount. So the discount for the particular item was 50 paise. The total sales was for 45 rupees, and the profit, actually there is no profit here. This is a loss making sale. Okay, so there is 26 rupees loss in this, and the quantity is 3. So 3 items are being sold, and the feedback received by the customer, feedback received from Venkatesh, is that the product is excellent. Okay, similarly, such kind of orders and its details are given in the Excel sheet. This is basically our source data. We will see how this source data, a complex source data, is made into an interesting Google dashboard in our upcoming videos. Thank you.